What's up, everyone? It's it's snowing. I guess you can call it snow. And I'm doing a workout in the snow, and I just got done. And I thought I would share with you my favorite part of when I jog. It's right here. Come up this hill. Sorry, I'm breathing so loud. The kids have been having a blast with this hill. It's so beautiful. Doing a workout in boots, I don't recommend it. It's not the greatest thing for your feet, but it kept them dry. So I'll take it. Oh man. And I feel like no matter what direction I ran in, the sleet was like pelting my face. It didn't matter. I don't know how that's even possible. You just kind of would keep your head down and just keep running. Hope everyone is getting this much wintry mix as Greer is. I heard my friends out in Simpsonville and Malden aren't getting anything, which is crazy because you're only about 15 minutes away. So this is the back part of the hill. Hey, Christy Banks. Long time no see. Wade Hampton is pretty much shut down. There's really nothing going on Wade Hampton, which rightfully so. Everyone should be staying at home, staying off the roads. Don't watch the news though, because I think they love to strike fear in the heart of everyone. So it's kind of unnecessary, but it's warranted, I guess. Hey, Lauren, old school crossroader, what's up? Oh God, it's getting slippery. I hope everyone's doing well. I needed to get out of the house and do a workout because I was getting cabin fever. I was not liking it. If you even care about WODS, which stands for the workout of the day, my workout was just to run 30 minutes, but it was a 30-minute EMOM, E-M-O-M, which stands for every minute on the minute. We did 10 burpees. So I really had to pad up my chest area so I wouldn't get cold. And did that for 30 minutes. So that's 30 times 10. It's 300 burpees. No bueno, no fun. And our neighborhood's pretty hilly. Chrissy Banks, this is what State Park Road looks like. Travelers Rest is getting it bad. Yeah, that's what I hear. Travelers Rest is getting nailed. I don't know if it's just because they're closer to the mountains or what the deal is. I don't know. I'm a good guesser though, and that's what I would guess. What's everyone been doing on this snowy day? What are fun things you do? Just watch maybe a Netflix marathon. Man, that does sound good. I was a real big fatty, and yesterday I went through the Bojangles drive-thru and I got 2 chicken biscuits so I could have chicken biscuits in the morning. Let's see if I can switch this around. Hey, Ryan Berg! Ryan, get in your Honda and come over to the Wildflower Meadows. Let's hang out. Ryan, I would work a Monday and then to get Friday off, and then Friday would be a free day off for everyone. Uh-oh, Brandon Gray. Looky there. Hi, Brandon Gray. I would like for everyone to know that Brandon Gray, aka Weatherman Brand, is probably better than Chris Justice. Well, I know he's better than Chris Justice. John Stesserich doesn't even hold a candle to Weatherman Brand. If you want the latest know-abouts of weather, no chance the old Honda can make it up that hill. Dude, I just came down the hill. Let's see if I can get this switched around. It's way up there. I thought it was supposed to snow a lot. Shut up, Jay. You're such a northerner. Like, the fact that this guy is driving, I'm scared for him. Jay, at least we haven't lost power yet. Well, actually a lot of people have. Thankfully we haven't. Brian Reed! What's up, Brian Reed? Dude, I love keeping up with you on Facebook, man. I love your story. I love what God is doing with you. It encourages me. What's up, Price? But anyways, Weatherman Brand, for all the latest happenings on what's going on weather-wise in the upstate, stay tuned. You can friend him on Facebook. That thing for four-wheel drive, yeah. That thing got four-wheel drive. I have a Ford Focus with like one-wheel drive. Does that count for anything? About the same size and weight of a go-kart that you can get at Toys R Us. All right, I'm gonna turn around and go back this way because I'm getting cold. My hands are freezing. Use a drum head to sled down that hill. You know what? I have a bunch of broken ones I could probably use. Hey, Lauren, are you married now? I think. Didn't you marry someone from our old church? I think, if I'm keeping up with you correctly through social media, I think that's right. But Jay, seriously, dude, this is a lot of snow for us. Like everything is shut down. We don't function. This is probably gonna make us obviously be really chill for today and tomorrow. And then I think the sun's supposed to come out. Uh-oh, Christy Branks. Christy and Lauren, how do you guys know each other? Hey, Kristen Paris. Hi, Kristen Paris. Remember when you dated Matt Fessler a long time ago and you weren't, I don't think you liked me at all. But we were kids, we were dumb. Uh-oh, Tuna is in the house. What's up, Tuna? Hi, Shelly. Grant McGinnis, not impressed. Grant, what are you getting up there, dude? My sister married. Oh, it was your sister that married Justin. Yeah, Charity. Okay, my bad. I always get you two mixed up. Well, I'm happy for her, man. Justin's a great dude. Good guy. Tuna. Tuna, why are you not impressed with all this, man? Like, I'm pretty impressed. I think it's beautiful. And I've got boots on. No flip-flops. And I've got some really comfy sweatpants tucked in to my boots. So it kind of gives me like that old Nazi look. You know, when they would like tuck their pants into their boots. Oh my goodness. Seth Forrester joined. The man, the myth, and the legend known as Seth Forrester. The voice of the Southside Christian School Sabre football team. My parents are going to get it up to the roof. Oh yeah, your parents are in DC. And Grant, does your dad still work for Fox News and do a bunch of stuff? Tim, you're the bravest soul. Proud to know you. Go Sabres. Hey, speaking of bravest soul, let me see if I can flip the camera around. I got my new Braves jacket on. This thing cost me like $4,000. It's ridiculous how much good coats cost. Uh-oh, Ali Severs, Aaron Suber. Seth, you're the voice of the Sabres. Hey, Kyle Stevens. Old school foothills in the house. All right, guys, I just thought I would show you. Hey, it's my cousin. Hi, Julia. All right, Allie, what is this, and why do we have nothing better to do than to walk with Tim? Uh-oh, sorry, my battery's getting low. It'll be as bad as last year, really. You need to come be my guest commentator. Dude, I would be honored to be your guest commentator. Hi, June. Dedication, Tim. Love your posts and pictures. Seneca misses you. Hey, you give Hunter a big hug for me. I bet he doesn't even look the same anymore. I bet he looks like a man, a grown dude, which is crazy. Oh, Seth and Allie. What a beautiful relationship you two have. So, I got my boots on. I have sweatpants. And then I've got a sweatshirt on under my Braves jacket, and I'm still freezing. I'm dying. I don't have any gloves. Well, because I don't even think I own a pair of gloves. Hey, Derek Clark. What's up, dude? But you have to admit, this is really pretty. This is where I came from. So far, I've only seen one car, and it was my neighbor, and he's drunk half the time, so I wouldn't be surprised if he's making poor decisions. Hey, Allie Sievers, what does Lynchburg, Virginia look like? Tuna, cry me a river. Shut up, cow. I am not a whiny person. I don't know what you're talking about. I keep my whining to a minimal, though. June, message me for info on how you can reach out to Hunter. He would love it. Oh, yeah. Now, I would love to hang out with Hunter. Catch up with him and see what's going on. Slide down the hill. Oh, Derek, I really don't want to. I can go get my kid's sled, though. Caleb! Caleb, why are you not picking me up right now? Walk over to our house. Caleb, here's our hill. I'm kind of close. Well, kinda, a few miles. You are breathing kind of heavy. Hit the gym. Actually, I just got done working out, and I'm still kind of recovering. I did a 30-minute EMOM, which is every minute on the minute. I did 10 burpees. So it was a 30-minute run with 300 burpees. How do I send a picture? LOL, it's about 8 inches. How do you send a picture? You're starting to ask questions that my mom asks. I don't know. I can't help you, Allie. Oh, how do you send pictures on this comment thread? Oh, I don't know. I still think it's awesome Facebook has Facebook Live. Uh-oh, Cara Francine in the house. Guys, my battery's gonna die any minute now. Grant, I built a table. Well, you're about to build me a pew for my new office. Just got done sledding with Charlie in the Chocolate Factory, or Harley in the Chocolate Factory. I think that's right. Hashtag RIP Big Dave. Hashtag no more Big Dave. Caleb Walker. I slid so bad when I got out earlier. Don't want to risk dying. That is not the Caleb Walker I know. It's not the Caleb Walker I know. I rebuke that. Hi, Debbie Simpson. Guys, my nose is running like crazy. Snot for days. Tons of snot. Grant McGinnis, I'll build you anything. I know you will. You're a very talented guy. Oh gosh. Super talented guy. Debbie, what's Woodlands looking like? I think I saw. Uh-oh, Kathy in the house. Watch out for those Babcocks. Okay, my hands are so cold. Man, I've been on this for 14 minutes. I'm surprised my phone has lasted this long. Well, I hope everyone's having a good snow day. I hope you've eaten a lot of warm food and hung out with people that you actually like. Because there's nothing worse than being stuck somewhere with people you don't like. That's the Caleb Walker that's no longer has a 4-wheel drive. You don't have 4-wheel drive anymore? No. You do have like 19 vehicles. It's very hard to keep up with. Hi, Cassie Hanford. Okay, well, I just wanted to show you guys our road. Just sleet at Woodlands, no snow. Well, you guys got snow a couple days ago, and who was it that I saw jumped off the trapeze tower into the lake and did like a polar plunge? Bye, Tuna. Love you.